Hey guys, Brad Flynn here, and we're going to keep looking at what the different parts of your profit and loss or your income statement are actually called by other names. So you've got a reference for them. Now, if you haven't got the cheat sheet already, you can get it from down below. Click the link, download it. It's all on one page. Print it out, put it in front of your desk so that you know exactly what each of these terms mean. It's not supposed to be hard, but you're going to have to spend a bit of time working it out. So let's dive in. First of all, quick reminder, these are the other names for your income statement. It can be profit and loss, P&L, statement of earnings, or statement of operations. Doesn't matter. Now we're going to look at the second line down, the second major article on a profit and loss statement, which is called cost of sales. This is a cost you incur because you get a sale. Okay, you might sell your widget, but you had to buy the widget first, so that's where the cost goes. You might have someone who's doing the service for you, so you mightn't have widgets. So you've sold the service, but now you've got to pay the person who delivered the service, like a subcontractor. So there are different ways that these costs can go in here. So let's look at some of the names for them. Costs, quite simply, COS. Sometimes you're going to see that the cost of sales in a profit and loss statement, or if it's being talked about, is just called costs. The next one, cost of goods sold. Now, not a big fan of that, because what if you don't sell goods? Maybe you're selling services. But, however, it's sometimes called cost of goods sold or COGS. You may hear your accountant or one of your financial people actually calling it your COGS. Now, the last one I'm going to tell you to remember is really how you sort of compare this to other expenses in your business. It's sometimes called a variable expense, because this line of your P&L will track your sales up and down. It won't be obviously the same figure, but if you've got a big month of sales, there's a good chance and you sell goods or services, then there's going to be a cost associated with those. So one question I get all the time is, what if my employees, are they actually a cost of goods sold? Well, yes and no, it depends on you want to track it, but if you're going to pay them regardless of if they do work or not, then I would leave them in the fixed expenses that we'll look at in a different video. So there you have it. These are the terms for your cost of sales. We're going to look at some other of the terms next. Operating expenses are going to be the next one we're going to take a look at it. Make sure you get that cheat sheet from down below. You can subscribe now, hit the button, keep watching the channel. Want to really make sure you get these numbers in your business, because once you get this, it's a game changer for any business owner.